Check. I know everyone on the stage is all set. When the stage is all full, so கீழ இருக்கவங்க எல்லாம் ஒரு மனத கைதட்டல் கொடுத்துடலாமா? That's amazing. So let's wish Riya a happy birthday, many more happy returns of the day, Riya. ஒரு மனத கைதட்டல் கொடுத்து let's all wish her the best. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Everybody all together. That's how it gets started, dear ladies and gentlemen. So here we have the special celebration where the Princess Riya is turning 1, and that's how the celebration has begun in her own style, dear ladies and gentlemen.